So, hi guys, welcome to Athena.lol. But first, before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button and hit the like button. So, today for my YouTube, we're going to be doing experiments. So, we're going to be doing lava in a lamp or snow falling. For this experiment, we're going to need a jar of glass or a clear cup. And then we need water. And then we're going to be needing paint. And then we're going to need sticks. And then the next thing we're going to need alka-seltzer. And then we're going to need food coloring and baby oil. And then for the surprise, is chocolate eggs. But we're not going to be opening this now. Until the end we will. So I'm going to set this aside. So the first thing we're going to put inside the jar is baby oil. So how do we spell baby oil? Is B-A-B-Y-O-I-L. That's how we spell baby oil. So we're gonna put baby oil in. Enough?
You need to put it pretty high up.
Like the whole bottle? The whole bottle?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Okay, that's enough. Doesn't baby oil smells nice?
Yeah, it smells like coconut. There's only what you do is put the paint in the cup. Enough?
A little bit more.
Enough?
Yes. Okay, now put water.
Now we're gonna put water. I'm so excited. I just need a little bit half. Mixing time! Mixing time! Okay, now for the next thing we're gonna be doing, pouring in the white paint. Whoa, that's white. And then now the next thing we're gonna put in alka-seltzer.
Okay.
How do we spell alka-seltzer? It's A-L-K-A-S-E-L-T-Z-E-R. Alka-seltzer. Ooh. We're going to be breaking this up into little pieces like this. So now we're going to be putting inside the alka-seltzer. Put some more. I'm going to put this on. That's the last. Oh, this is the last one. Look how it's snowing! Oh, I can hear it fizzing. It's fizzing a lot.
Look at the snowstorm.
Yeah, that's cool. So now we're gonna be needing 4 plastic cups of baby oil inside. But first we need to mix it with water. Okay, so we're gonna be needing water. Now we're gonna let the food coloring run away for a little bit, and then for the next one is orange. Just 2 drops only. That's pretty much a 3 drops. See? And then now the next color is blue. That's enough. It's just white. And now the next one of the last one is pink. 2 drops only. So now the next color is orange. Now the next color, blue. It's still blue. I thought it was supposed to be a different color because it's for the last color, pink. You can already see it's pink. So now we're gonna pour in these inside this, the baby oil.
Okay. Looks like lava.
Yeah. Because red and orange is lava. Mixed together lava. Well, look at the bubbles. Now for orange time.
Ooh.
Ooh, looks like orange lava. Whoa! Now for blue time.
Whoa.
Now for pink. This one only has a little bit. Okay. So now we're gonna put the alka-seltzer. 3 for each. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa.
Whoa! I
Put it all
got
at
it.
once. Put it.
3 for each.
Whoa.
Wow! Wow! Look, this one's so white.
Wow. Look at that.
Wow! Oh, the white one stuck.
Do you want to mix another color with the white? You
Yeah!
want purple?
So my mom did another color of purple. We're gonna put it inside this jar, the big jar that we. Okay, now we're gonna pour in this purple one in the jar.
Along with the white. Ooh, guys.
Do you notice it doesn't mix with it?
Oh, look, it's so nice.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Can you move this up? Ooh.
This is a big jar, so I'm gonna have to put all. Wait! Wow!
Ooh, look at the lava from the purple.
Yeah, it's cute. The purple one is so pretty. Wow, that does look like a galaxy. A little bit, not too much.
Ooh.
Ooh, that looks like a nice color, right, Mommy?
The galaxy.
Yeah, it looks like a galaxy. Galaxy. Ooh, wow! Another one. Okay guys, so now this is it for the video. But wait guys, we have to open these chocolate eggs. We're gonna move these out of the way. Okay guys, now we're gonna open this. We're gonna open from the bottom first. Because I don't wanna rip it. I don't wanna rip it. Because if I rip it, I'll cry. Yay, I did not rip it. I did not rip it. Look at sky. I wonder what I get. Whoa, it's melting. Oh, it's melting in the inside a little. What do I get? I got Marshall! Got Marshall. There's more to collect. I'm gonna eat this chocolate. I'm gonna try it. Mmm.
Yummy.
I'm gonna start this aside. This one too. And open this one. The picture on it has cheese. We're gonna start from the bottom again. That's how we be careful. Now let's open. Stop right there. Open. Now open this one. So let's open this up. Who did I get? What is this? Ooh, what's this? Let me see the instruction. So this is the toys I got. Marshall and Sky. They're from the Paw Patrol team of the normal one.
No, not at all.
It's the normal one of Paw Patrol. The other one is meaty pups. So this is the new version, and this is the normal. This is the old version. So bye guys, this is it for today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, hit the like button. Bye. And I'm gonna eat this chocolate.